In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Amazon account on Amazon.com in 2025. Whether you're new to Amazon or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step to ensure a smooth experience. So, let's get started. First things first, let's navigate to the Amazon website. Open up your preferred internet browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other you choose. Once you've got your browser opened, go ahead and type www.amazon.com into the address bar at the top of the window. Hit enter on your keyboard and voila. You should now be on the Amazon homepage. Their tagline, "Spend less, smile more," appears often, reminding you of the great deals they offer. Now let's focus on the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on it and this will direct you to the Amazon Sign In page. This page is quite straightforward. Here's where you'll input your login credentials. If you already have an Amazon account, enter the email address associated with it in the designated field. If you've been away from your account for a while, you might want to double check your email address to ensure you're using the correct one. After that, press continue. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Make sure this is the correct password linked to your account. Should you have any trouble recalling it, Amazon has a helpful forgot password option below the password field. Clicking on this will guide you through the steps to reset your password, using your email or SMS if those options are enabled on your account. This ensures your account remains secure and accessible even if you forget your login details. Once you've correctly entered your password, click on the Sign In button below the password field. If everything's correct, you should now be successfully logged into your Amazon account, back at the Amazon homepage, but now personalized for you with recommendations and previous orders. For those who are brand new to Amazon and don't yet have an account, the process is simple. By default, from the sign-in page, there will be an option to create an account. Just follow the on-screen instructions, providing details like your name, email, and a new password. Ensure your password is strong. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to bolster security. Lastly, it's worth noting the importance of logging out after your session, especially on shared devices. Your privacy is important, and logging out prevents unauthorized use of your account. Simply return to the top right corner, click on your name, and select Sign Out. And there you have it, a simple and straightforward way to log into your Amazon account. This process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can quickly access all the amazing products and services Amazon has to offer. Happy shopping!